I'll guide you through the simple steps to get started with CertifyMe. The first step is to create a project before designing a template. Click on the Project Manager, then name your project, for example, New Test Project, and click Create Project. Once you've completed this, click on the dashboard. Open the project and you'll see that it's empty. Next, click on Design Template and choose a folder. You'll then see 3 steps for designing a credential, which are adding the metadata, adding the graphics, adding the branding details. Let's take a detailed look at each step in the next video. Adding the metadata or update your program details. You can add the information about the program in this first step. Like name of the program, issuing institution. A write-up about the event, program, or credential. Acquired skills, signatory's name. Earning criteria means what criteria the candidate completed to earn this credential. Then you can add the validity period in months by clicking on the checkbox. And also you have the option to customize the notification email by clicking the checkbox. This email body will be specific to this template. You can use the above variable to make the email dynamic. Step 2, adding the graphics or edit credential template image. In this step, we have the option to add designs. Expand Step 2, click on this rectangle box, then you can see this designer. Here you have the option to add a graphics which you already have or using by clicking on Upload your design and drag and drop from your system like this. Make sure to remove the dynamic fields like name, date, etc. Other cases, if you need to design a credential from scratch, you can use our Canva integration for designing the template. Here in this design, I can add the dynamic fields for that. Click on Attributes, and here you add name by clicking recipient name. For date, click on Issue Date. For a system generate ID, click on Unique ID, so on and so. Other than that, if you need to build a custom attribute, just enter the attribute name, and you will get that also into the design. Once you add these an attribute, it will be automatically added to the CSV file in the bulk award option that we can discuss later. You can change font size, color, also can add QR or barcode to your design, which is unique for each credential. Then, if you click on Sign, you can upload signatures to design. Here on the bottom, if you need to have custom page setup, you can set up the page by choosing the required format. Once you have done these, you can click on Save, and now your graphics is ready. Next is updating the branding details. Click on Step 3. Here you can add an image as a banner or Vimeo video as a marketing video. To add the image, click on Choose File and upload your banner. For video, add the Vimeo video URL on this section. Then branding message, according to your brand. Call to action button label. 1 or 2 words are ideal. Example, more info, buy now, download, etc. Then add a call to action link. Please give full URLs with HTTPS on yoururl.com. Finally, click on Save My Credential Template. That's it, you are done with creating your first template.